And I got confused. So remember, at least for me, and this might not be the case for you, I always have to click Python debugger, and then it'll actually run. And so we got hello, which is great. Now let's do a little bit of a different Bart Simpson program. Let's use the math module to go ahead and print out all the digits of pi, at least as many as this math module knows about. So we'll set our pi variable equal to math.pi, and then let's make this a string. So we'll update our pi variable to a string. Let's go ahead and print out what this pi variable looks like before and after. And it should probably look about the same. It's just changing the type. Okay, and it does look exactly the same. C really